Good evening, everyone. In the last video, I think we are discussing single linked list program. In that, successfully, we have completed inserting the data at a very first location, at a last location, in the given position, sorted insertion, and sorted insertion according to ascending order, descending order, how to return the size of the list also we have seen, even searching operation also we have seen. Now, today I want to talk about deletion. Deletion from the first, deletion from the last, deletion from the position, deleting the element. If multiple occurrences are there, how you can able to delete? If there is any duplicates, how you can able to delete? These particular issues we will resolve in today's session. Sir, I am taking the single program for this. That's why I will do modification in this program. Only. Okay. Now, now observe clearly. Sir, consider I want to take a list like so add first. I am taking the element like something. Yes, let me take add last. Okay, add last. I want to take element 111. Okay. Next, I want to add multiple items into this. Okay. Let me take like this. I'm taking multiple items. Let it be 333. Let it be 222. So let it be 555. Let it be 999. And let it be 111. And this one is nothing but 444. Like this, I have some elements are there. So let us execute really our list contain these values or not. We need to cross check. Java C, I am taking test.java. The code compiles fine. And when you run the program, the output what we are getting is, so 111 is the first node. Next node is a 333. Next node is 222. Next node is 555. Next node is 999. Next node is 111. Next node is 444. Next node is null. Like this we have. Now from these, I want to delete the first. How to delete the first? You have to call a function, maybe list dot. So list dot, I'm going to take for deletion, I will take one method name. What is that method name? Is nothing but delete first. So delete first, like this I'm taking. So after this, I want to print this, so that what will happen after this? If you print, we have to get that element to be deleted. Okay. Anyway, I didn't define this delete first function. Let me write that delete first, sir. Okay. Here after insertion, before printing, I will take that function. So void delete first, like this we have. I think it is not going to receive any arguments. Okay. And first we have to check array, is there any empty note is there, that is empty list is there. So if head is equal to null, then we can say that list is empty, right? So list is empty. So nothing is there to remove, just you can return. Sir, consider I have a list. I have a list. For example, this is nothing but the first node and this is nothing but the second node. Okay. So this is nothing but a third node. Okay. Like this, we have some nodes are there. So this will become head node, right? Always. So if head node is already there, what we have to do? If I want to delete this node, very simple instruction. Delete this pointer and point to this one. How you can able to write? Very simple, right? This is the immediate only, right? So what I'm going to do is only one instruction. So head is equal to head dot next. But sir, please make sure when you are doing this, try to reduce the size, because one item will be removed. So you have to decrement that value. That's all. Beyond that, nothing. Now I want to validate this program. Really that first node got deleted or not. Let us compile the code. Perfectly it is working. You can see previously 111 is there. Now 111 is not there. Okay. This is the way how you can able to. Okay. So I hope you people got very clear clarity about this. Can you please confirm everyone, is this concept is clear for you people? What happened if head tends to next is equal to null? Very good question, Vishal. Excellent question. See, our Vishal sir is asking a good question. Okay. What is that question he is asking is, so consider this is my list. So next is nothing. So this will become head node. Sir, is head is equal to null? No, it is not equal to null. So what will happen? Size minus minus. Okay, forget about that. Head is equal to head tends to next. Sir, what is the head tends to next? Null, right? Now onwards, your head is pointing to null. Now onwards, your head is pointing to null. That's all. So if head is equal to null, the empty list only, right? Because we have only one element is there, that element got removed. Clear, sir? Clear, sir? We are not required to make head is equal to null. By default, it will become null because we have written head is equal to head tends to next. I request everyone, sir, please respond. Is this concept is clear for you people? Yes, requesting everyone to please confirm. Yes, please confirm everyone. Sir, you people are there or not? 17 members are there in the session. Please respond properly. Is the concept is clear for everyone? Right. Now, so coming to the next one. So what is the next one? We have delete last function. I have to talk. Sir, in the place of delete first, if I take delete last, what will happen? We have to remove that last entry. How you can able to do? Same thing. I'm going to take, so void delete last I'm taking. Of course, here also you have to take if head is equal to null. So list is empty and written. So if head dot next, that means if the next field is equal to null, because this is very, very important. So in the previous case, if you have only one node is there, then next node will become null, right? Immediately you can make it as automatically it will be done. But if head tends to next is equal to null, we have to move some pointers. That's why in this special case is required. So because the algorithm is different, head is equal to null I am taking. Let me check. If it is not required, we will delete this loop also. If head is equal to null, head tends to next is equal to null, then head will become null. Okay. So size minus minus I am taking. Now, sir, we have to one sec, please wait. Right. Sorry for the delay. Yeah. Sir, how you can able to delete at last? As usual, we have seen already, right? We have to take two temporary variables. So consider if I have elements like 4, okay, so 5. This is nothing but like this we have, this is next field. Sir, this one is nothing but a head pointer, right? So I want to delete at last. Sir, what we have to do? We have to move the pointers till this. Okay, we have to move the pointers till this. One pointer should point here, one pointer should point here. Like that we have to take. Sir, how you can able to define this? So let us see, somewhat confusion is there here, but let me write it. Sir, node, I am take temp1. So I am take temp. Okay. So temp1 is equal to temp1 is equal to I am going to take something like head. Temp2 is equal to, so head dot next. Head dot next means what? So here head node is initially, okay, listen carefully. So here this one will become temp1 and this one will become temp2. This one will become temp2. Like this we have. Now while what is the next condition? While so temp2, okay, while temp2 dot next is not equal to null. Okay, so while temp dot next is not equal to null, then what we have to do? Sir, your temp2 dot, okay, your temp2 will become, so temp2 dot next. Okay, next term, so temp1 will become, temp1 will become temp1 dot next. This process we have to repeat until temp2 is not equal to null. Now see here, is a temp2 next field is null? No. Then temp2 will become temp2 tends to next. This is temp2, right? This one will become temp2. Oh, sorry. Like this we have. So next, what is the next one? Temp1 is equal to temp1 tends to next. This one will become, so temp1. This will become temp1. Like this we have. That's all. Sir, now what is the next one? Again, is it temp tends to next? Is it not equal to null? No, it is not equal to null. So temp2 is equal. Temp2 tends to next. So here it will become temp2. Here it will become temp2 and this one will be gone. This one will be gone. Okay. Sir, now what is the next instruction? Temp1 is equal to temp1 tends to next. So here it will become temp1 and this link will be gone. Okay. Sir, next is temp tends to next. Is it equal to null? No. Then temp2 will become temp2 tends to next. Okay. Then temp1 will become temp1 tends to next. Like this we have. So because in our linked list we have only one pointer, that is nothing but head. That is the reason why you have to take two pointers to this end. Now, temp2 tends to next, temp2 tends to next, no node, null, right? Then it will come out from this. Now we have two pointers are there. We have to remove this point, beyond that nothing. So what will be the code now? Observe carefully. So here, if you say temp1 dot next is equal to, just assign with null, just assign with null. Means what? Temp1 next field. This is the temp1 next field, right? I am going to make it as this one will become null. Okay. So that immediately what will happen? These things will be gone. That's all. So like this, we can able to remove, sir. I hope you people got very clear clarity about this. So can you please confirm, is this a deletion of last element? Is it clear for you people? Everyone please confirm. Yes. Clear, right? Please confirm. Sir, only few people are giving response. What happened for others? Everyone is partying, huh? Today is 30 only, right? Looks like, huh? Okay, no problem. In odd last, if you remove brackets, will it works? If we remove brackets, will it not work, sir? Why? Which brackets? You are talking while loop brackets, huh? Hey, Sagar, please cross check. It is a block of statements. Two lines are there, right? Compulsory, you have to write a block. If you have single line, brackets are not required. Then add lost. What is that add lost? This one. Since this is the statement what we have to do if this condition is satisfied, not this one. This is independent statement of while loop. It is not a part of while loop. So that's why only one statement I'm not using while loop. Brackets. Okay. Right. Okay. So now I will go with, okay. No. Brackets you can take, it will work, but you have to take only one statement inside the bracket. That last statement is out of the block. Okay. You try now taking the brackets only one step. Okay. Now, so I want to delete the element. Now I will take delete element. I will give the data. So the data which I am giving is nothing but here. Consider this is my list. So I want to delete the data called 444. Delete element. I want to delete one data. How it is going to be deleted? So I am taking void. So delete element. So integer, I am giving data. Listen carefully. Here two algorithms are there. One is nothing but a search algorithm. Second one is nothing but a deletion. Consider I have, okay. So consider I have two cases are there here. What is the first case? This is nothing but one. Next field is nothing but a two. Next field is nothing but a three. Next field is nothing but a null. This is the head node. Now I want to delete. I want to delete the data which I have given is one. Means what? First node only, right? So first I have to write the basic condition. What is the condition? So we need to take some temporary node. Okay. Node I am taking temp. Let us consider that temp is equal to head because we have to retrieve, right? I mean traverse, right? That's why. So if a temp is equal to null, that means head is equal to null. So there is no node is there. Now we have to print empty. Now we have to return. So temp dot data. That means your head data is equal to data is there means then you have to take head is equal to head dot next. So head tends to next, what will happen? Whatever data is there, it will point. Then we have to decrement size minus minus and then you have to return. So means what? If the data which I want to delete is nothing but a one, then what I am doing here? Very simple. Is the data is equal to same or not? Yes. So then your head will become head tends to next. This will become head and the decrement size. So by default, this will be gone. That's all right. Now, sir, if it is not the case, if it is not the case, then what we have to do? Sir, we have to write a while loop. Beyond that, nothing is there. So what is that while loop? Suppose if you take, I have elements like this. So First node 1 is there. So next is pointing to this one. Okay. So next node is pointing to this one. So next node is pointing to this one. Like this I have. So consider I want to delete the element, this one 3. Okay, this is nothing but a head node. I want to delete the element. Now my element will become 3. Sir, first step is what? We have to traverse. How you can able to traverse? Anyway, initially this node will become temp node, right? You have to move this temp. How many times? Listen carefully. A beautiful while loop I am writing. Until temp tends to next is not equal to null. Until temp tends to next is not equal to null, you have to traverse. Sir, is this temp tends to next field is not equal to null? No. Then can you please check temp tends to next dot data is equal to your data. Okay, means what? Temp tends to next, this one too. Sir, its data is equal to your data? No. Then so temp dot next will become so temp dot next. Listen carefully, this is very very important. So after that, just we have to decrement size minus minus, and then we have to return. Sir, what is this loop? Observe carefully. So temp tends to next. Temp tends to next is this one. Its data is it equal to the given data? 3? No. No. Condition not satisfied. If the condition is not satisfied, try to make temp is equal to. Temp tends to next. Okay. So that what will happen? Now your temp is pointing to here. This will be gone. Now, sir, again temp tends to next. It is not equal to null. Temp tends to next data is nothing but 3. Is it equal to our data? Yes. Now we have to delete this. How to delete this? Listen carefully. Temp dot next, temporary field, next field. That means this one, sir, is equal to temp tends to next is there, right? Yes, this will become temp tends to next. It's a next field. That is nothing but this one. So this next field is nothing but like this I am going to point. So that what will happen? By default, these links will be gone. That's all right. Now this will become a new list. Okay, that is nothing but the target. Anyway, if this condition is satisfied, return. Suppose if you have multiple occurrences, it won't delete multiple occurrences. Only first occurrence it will delete. Let us execute the code. You can see here. So 111, 444, we are deleting 444. That's why after 111, this 444 got gone. Then rest of the data we got. Sir, how to delete all the occurrences? No problem. That we will see an application. How you can able to delete all the occurrences? You people will get clarity. So can you please confirm up to this? Do you have any doubts? Everyone, can you please confirm up to this? Do you have any doubts? Is all these concepts are clear? Everyone. Yes. So some people are asking about that while loop again. So I am taking one more example to demonstrate while loop. Listen carefully. Suppose consider I have element 9 is there. First node. Next node is nothing but something like 3 is there. Next node something like 4 is there. Next node is something like we have 7. Next node something like we have 8. Next node something like we have 6. This will become null. Initially this will become head node, right? And temp I am taking head. This will become what? Temporary node. This will become what? Temporary node. Now, sir, is this node equal to null? No. Is this data? Consider the data which I want to delete is 7. Is this data is equal to this 7? No. Then while temp tends to next, this is the temp. Next field is not equal to null, right? Yes. Then temp tends to next. Temp tends to next is 3. Is it equal to our data? No. Then this loop got failed. Temp is equal to temp tends to next. This link will be gone. Now temp will point to this one. While temp is not equal to null, temp tends to next is not equal to null. Yes. Then temp tends to next data. Okay. This is temp, right? Next field is a 4. Is it equal to 7? No. Then it will come out from this while if condition. Temp is equal to temp tends to next. Now onwards, this will become temp. This link will be gone. No. The temp tends to next. Temp tends to next. It is not equal to null. Temp tends to next data is 7. Is it equal to the original data? Yes. If condition satisfied. Now temp tends to next. Temp tends to next this pointer. Temp tends to next is nothing but temp tends to next is there, right? Temp tends to next is this one. So it's next field. That means what this one? Okay. So temp tends to next tends to next. Temp tends to next is nothing but this one. So this node I am assigning to temp tends to next. So that these links will be break, right? So what will be the original list? First 9 to 3, 3 to 4. So 4 to 8, 8 to 6. Then size minus minus return. Return means it will come out from this while. So hope everyone got a clarity, right? Can you please confirm? Is it clear, friends? Right, right. So that's all about today's session. I will upload the running within a few minutes. You can download. Okay. So tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, anyway, we don't have any classes. From Monday, we will continue. And from Monday, we will speed up. Okay. And enjoy tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. And advance Happy New Year for everyone. Okay. There the string special class. No, no, no. Not this week after completion of this Monday's class. But definitely, sir, from the next Monday, I mean, coming Monday onwards, you can expect more classes from my side. Even if 2 or 3 members are coming, definitely I will take because we are in lagging. Okay. We have to complete the strings at a stretch. Okay. So that's why maybe coming Saturday and Sunday, definitely I will plan. You people have to attend. Even if 2 to 3 members are attending also, I will take the class. I won't stop. Remaining people, maybe they are watching the recordings. Okay. Loop detect in SSL topic will be covered. Yeah, no, maybe not possible. I'm sorry. No, not possible. But we will check. Okay. Okay. Right, sir. So thank you. We will meet for the continuation on Monday. Okay. Right, sir. Yeah, we will see. Answering. We will see. If time permits, I will check it. That. Yeah, right. Yeah, thank you. See you on Monday, sir. Thank you.